Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, well, this problem 28, we just need to explain why high compression ratios are not used in spark ignition engines. And we don't use high compression ratio in this type of engine because they can cause something called engine knock. And what is this engine knock? Well, the engine knock, let's rewrite this. This engine knock is basically when the ignition originates in the system, not by the spark device, but out of the combustion of the high pressure gas. Okay, so the engine knock again is a combustion is the ignition that is originated by the combustion of the high pressure gas, and this is something that we don't want in a spark ignition engine. Okay, that's basically it. That's all. Thanks for watching.